confused about where to get started with video editing? Let's say you want to start up your own YouTube channel or take in some editing projects. Then where you should start, especially if you're completely new to video editing. For that, I've requested one of my friends, Adam, who runs a YouTube channel regarding how you can get better on YouTube. So let's hear out some words from him.
Hey Pratik, and thanks man for having me on your channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Adam Mellor, and my channel is all about helping you build your following on YouTube. And the editing software that I use on my channel is iMovies. Now, the reason I use iMovies is because I'm a Mac and an iPhone user. And what's awesome is iMovies comes free with Apple products. And what I love about it is it's very simple and intuitive to use. And I think this sets you up as a new YouTuber because since iMovies is easy to use, you don't get as frustrated during the process of editing your videos. And it allows you to learn to edit in general. And once you learn to edit at a basic level, then if you want to invest in a more sophisticated and expensive solution like Adobe Premiere, then that's perfectly fine. But when you're first learning to edit, iMovies is more than sufficient. And what's also awesome about iMovies is there's an easy feature that allows you to have iMovies evaluate your sound and video quality and auto adjust it. And I would just like to encourage you to consider using iMovies so that you can be more successful as a new YouTuber.
Thank you very much, Adam. So that was a very important information right there. So if you have a Mac, then iMovie is one of the easiest softwares that you can use out there. And then as you progress along, that is you get better at it, then you can move on to softwares like Premiere Pro, which is exactly what I use for most of my editing projects. I also use Camtasia, and majority of the tutorials I make are from that software itself. But what if you're a complete beginner and you use Windows then? If you use Windows, then you can use the default video editor in Windows as well, which gets the basic editing done. And you can view my tutorial video for it as well. Link is in the description for that as well. So I'd like to tell everyone all the best for your video editing journey and hope you can enjoy the process along the way. In order to learn more about video editing, you might want to check out my courses on Camtasia and Premiere Pro. Link in the description again. So all the best for your video editing journey, and as always, hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.